Are you planning a home renovation project and it has you feeling overwhelmed? Not sure where to start, or even if you're making the right design choices? Hi, my name is Catherine Montague, founder and principal designer of Montague Design, a residential and commercial interior design firm with a French seasonal style. As you can tell by my accent, I was born in France, and bringing this influence into our designs is what makes our company unique. We guide our clients through the process of renovating their existing living space or building a new home. We design and select all interior architectural details from fireplaces, cabinetry, flooring, countertops, furniture, window treatment, and artwork. During construction, we work closely with the architect and contractors to answer any questions they may have to ensure the highest quality of work. Our designs are infused with love, empathy, and a French seasonal sense of fun. We love what we do, and our goal is to have a very close relationship with our clients so that we can create an environment unique to them.
Hi, my name is Tom Paracki. I'm the founder and president of Simply Automated and Luma Lighting. Simply Automated is a systems integration firm located here in Pittsburgh. We provide professional-grade home automation solutions for our clients, as well as lighting design services and specification. Having worked with interior designers on many projects in the past, I never really fully understood the value of actually working with an interior designer until I worked with Catherine on my own project. There's absolutely something to be said for having a professional like her involved throughout the entire process.
Enjoying each and every project is very important to us, and having a team that works well together makes the process easier and more comfortable for our clients. If you are ready to start your next project, or if you have a question for our team, head on over to the Connect tab on our website to contact us.